Ever wondered how to manipulate strings in KOTLIN? It's a programming language that has a wide array of tools for handling and altering text, much like its Java counterpart. This guide will walk you through the basics of string manipulation in KOTLIN, breaking down the process into digestible chunks. First off, let's delve into creating strings. In KOTLIN, you can create a string using double quotes. So if you want to create a string with the name Alice, you would write val name equals Alice. For multi-line strings or strings with special characters, you can use triple quotes. For example, val message equals triple quote hello world, triple quote. Raw strings are another type of string in KOTLIN, which ignore escape sequences. You would write val path equals RC. Window size system 32. Now, you might wonder how to access individual characters in a string. KOTLIN makes it easy. You can use indexing to access a character at a specific position. For example, val first char equals name at 0. You can also iterate over a string using a for loop. Strings in KOTLIN have several properties. The length property tells you the number of characters in the string. The isEmpty property returns true if the string is empty. KOTLIN also provides a bundle of operations that you can perform on strings. You can concatenate strings using the plus operator, extract substrings, replace parts of a string, split a string into words, and even join words back together. String templates are another powerful feature in KOTLIN. You can insert variables directly into a string. For example, val formatted message equals hello $name. You can also embed expressions inside strings. There are also a number of functions for manipulating strings in KOTLIN. These include functions to convert strings to lower or uppercase, trim whitespace, check if a string starts or ends with a certain substring, and find the position of a substring within a string. Finally, for more complex string manipulations, KOTLIN provides the String Builder class. This class represents a mutable string, which means you can change its content without creating a new string. To summarize, KOTLIN provides a comprehensive set of tools for creating, accessing, and manipulating strings. From simple operations like concatenation and substring extraction, to more advanced features like string templates and the String Builder class, KOTLIN makes string manipulation a breeze. So, the next time you're working with text in KOTLIN, remember these tools and techniques. They'll make your life as a programmer a whole lot easier.